welcome back to Code with Kaleem, and today I come up with another video number 13. In this video I'm going to cover that how to start with style, and I have divided into 5 points. One will be component style, second will be global style, and then internal style, and then we will check style with multiple components, and at the end we will cover the interview question as well. So for the component style, let's move into that. And first I will start with the app component.html, and here I will just define so one heading or one stuff, one color for that one. Sorry, for instance, I have to define in .css file that heading. I will define one color for this. Color will be red, and what I do here, I will just call this class is equal to heading, right? So I will see that whether its change is applied or not. You can see that it's come up with the red color because I applied the color or style at the component level. So now this second thing is the global style. So for the global style, you remember that the global style can be defined here. So I will define the global style here. For instance, I will just define heading color, and I'm going to define the green. So here if I just save it and see whether it will applied or not. Now it's not applied because we have already defined one CSS for this. Let me remove this and then save and see whether it come up with the green color or not. So you can see here that it's come up with the green color. So the global style will be applied. For instance, if you have you know that you want to apply the same color to the 50 components or 50 or hundreds or whatever the components, number of components you have, then you have to define your style here. This will be a global style, so it will be applied to the rest of the components as well. So let me show you that how this heading will be applied. For instance, we have the sign up component, sign up HTML. Let me first change this to h1 to so it looks better. So and then I will just recall this, and what is the selector name? App sign up. I will use the app sign up there and call this component app sign up, and then we will see that app sign up is working or not. So I will just save this and see whether it is working or not. Sign up to work. So it's come up with the sign to, but why it's not applied that component? Because I not called that one. So I will call the headings here as well, and then I will try to save it and see that whether it come up with the green color or not. So it come up with the green color. You can see it here. So the next thing is, so now as we just covered the component style, global style, now we will cover the internal style. For the internal style, for instance, I will just go here and define the internal style here. How I can define the internal style? For instance, I can just define the style. What we will do, we will just define the style here, and then we will see that whether this change will be applied or not. So I will just define one heading, and here I will define the color, and color could be, for instance, blue color. So let me define it here, and then I will see whether it will be applied or not. So heading. So now see that whether this color is blue or not. Now come here, so you can see that it's come up with the blue color, although that is defined in the global that the style.css is green, so it should be green. So but remember one thing here, that it will be some sort of interview question for you guys as well, that what is the priority cycle for the styling. So remember, the inline style will always be on top priority. So it's mean it will first look the same thing, the same heading. If any internal style is defined, then it will override all other things, and it will just use this style here. So if I remove it here, then it will see the next one. The next one will be the global style. The next one will be the global style, right? The component style. The second one will be, the first one will be the internal style, second will be the component style, and the third priority will be the global style. So it will work like this. So I hope that you got the answer of this styling as well. So now we have already covered in this video the component style, global style, internal style, and check style with the multiple components. I already checked with the multiple components by just use this use another one, sign up component. So I believe this video will be really useful for you guys. So have a nice day, stay tuned with this channel and keep growing. Thank you.